Good morning, Clay.Thompson here with Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Eclipse Attitude 28 IBG. Come on inside, let me show you. This is a really nice floor plan as we walk in. To the left of the door, we got a new command center in the new 19s. Everything's all easy, one place, easy to get to, easy to follow up with, how to use. The stereo is a Jensen sound system, plays DVDs, MP3s, AM, FM, CD, all of it all in one. Nice new furniture, very comfortable freestanding table and chairs. Table can swivel around, use it however you want. Nice big patio window. Nice recessed lighting up underneath, down the sides. It's got the new cabinetry. This one has the kicker stereo option, so we have the amplifiers in the cabinet up above. Good solid wall structure, floor structure, and cabinets. If I was to take here and hang myself off the walls, I mean, they use metal plates in the walls to back the cabinetry to hold the strength. So again, a little something that some of the other guys might not be using, but Attitude does. We have the curtain here, privacy curtain, LED lights. This has the above bunk bed model and then the lower couch model. This will pin up out of the way so we don't have to duck to sit at the couch. But by daytime we got a really nice comfortable couch as well. With the inlaid bold stitching is a really nice feature. They come in two different ways with the bright stitching, or you can get it in a red stitching if you prefer. Plenty of windows, plenty of lights. This one has the rear back patio. So the patio lays out, it's a rear patio out the back end with the rear screen wall on the back to keep the bugs out. This particular model comes with two slides. So we got the living room slide, couch makes into a bed, or a real nice comfortable couch. Table here removes, obviously. Very nice seating area here. Above cabinetry, LED lights like on the other side. We come over here, then we have a real nice full-size microwave, residential size here. Solid surface countertops in the kitchen. LED backlit, edge lit on the countertops. 3-burner cook stove. Here, oven. So nicely equipped. This has the pull-out faucet with spray nozzle. Big sink here, all one-piece stainless. Everything backlit through here. Light switches. Pull-out pantry, drawers, all on ball bearing rollers, nice hardware, nice clear clean cut plywood. This has got a laminated floor, so it's a nice thick floor, very sturdy, very durable. The D-rings go through the floor and have a metal backer on the D-rings as well. Large refrigerator, Jensen TV here. This one's got air conditioning, it has solar, has the ceiling fan. Side aisle is through here. You got the bathroom. Nice shower enclosure, skylight. Solid piece countertop in here, nice faucet. Stainless lavy sink. Medicine cabinet with mirror. And notice for the ladies, I've had a lot in other products. Looking at the medicine cabinet, they all complain that the mirror's too high. This one's set nice, just like at home. There was a woman that designed this trailer, so she did a nice job. Porcelain toilet. Pass through into the bedroom. The second slide here is the wardrobe. So you got the wardrobe beside the bed that slides out. Then two ward cabinets beside the bed, deep enough for a coat hanger to hang shirts and whatnot. Above cabinets above the bed, padded headboard, individual lighting at the bed area. Inside here we have USB and 12-volt plug-in as well as 110 on both sides of the bed. Another air conditioner, so this has 2 air conditioners along with 2 slide outs, so we get the 5500 watt generator, bigger than the 4 that comes in with, we just had 1 AC and probably 1 slide. Your monitor panel for solar is right here. Half storage underneath the bed. So this one, this one has the full storage. It's kind of an L shape, so we have access from outside in and inside underneath the bed. Come on through the hallway this direction. It's a nice lit hallway with windows to brighten it up. Come on outside. Nice large assist handle. Another thing that Attitude does, or Eclipse, this one weighs 8,400 pounds is the dry weight, the way it comes from the factory equipped with this build. The large wheels and tires, those are 16-inch wheels and tires. Large assist grab handle. The LED lights underneath the awning. You got the porch door lights. You got the under awning lights. Fully adjustable awning. This one can angle up, and we can tighten it up here. So we got the awning that tilts, let the water run off. 110 plug-in outlets. Magnetic catches for the door. Outside hatch area. Great area to demonstrate how thick this floor is. It's a laminate floor, so a very solid structure. One-piece end cap on the front end. Large propane tanks. Power tongue jack. Tray up front here for 2 full-size batteries. And the large 7-gallon propane tanks. LED light strip that lights up there. Again, the large 5500 watt generator. So what's neat with that generator is we're going to be able to run 2 air conditioners at the same time, an air conditioner and a microwave at the same time. Just get more juice running where I don't be blowing circuits because I'm running too much stuff. Outside shower, drain tanks down below. You'll notice the gate valves come through the frame rails because the gate valves are up in the enclosed heated area when the furnace is on. Scare light outside this side, so if we're having to come out and work with our drain valves and whatnot at nighttime, we've got plenty of lighting. 50 amp short cord, quick recovery, large gas and electric hot water heater. Metal fender wells, we don't have to worry about them being plastic and breaking. Zerk fittings on the suspension so we can grease them ourselves, maintain them, keep them lubed up. Large capacity fuel station. 12-volt fuel pump here, on-off switch with a gauge here that tells you how much fuel you have in the fuel station, and a fold-up ladder that stays on the trailer all the time, unpins, pulls out, gives us roof access that way without having to grab the ladder from inside, bring it and set it up outside. Notice the rear ramp door. This has the new 19 graphics, so illuminated reflective graphics on the back, as well as reflective reflectors on the tail lights. Another safety feature in case your plug comes undone, you're unaware of it, vehicle behind you can see that there's a vehicle in front of them. Along with the airfoil out the back end, it's a one-piece cap. What that does is that keeps the water from running off the trailer and dripping down the door. When you look at other brands that doesn't have that, the water runs off the back and immediately runs down and tries to seep in between the door seal of this big back door. So again, another feature that helps eliminate any kind of water or moisture getting inside the trailer. Rear stabilizer jacks underneath. We have the stowaway for the sewer hose that's accessible from both sides, but large enough to put a large sewer hose in there. The 28 IBG is just one of the floor plans that we have in stock. We carry a lot of different floor plans from the Eclipse that carry in the Attitude product. So if you have any questions on this product or any other toy haulers, I am a toy hauler specialist. My name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. My direct line is 541-979-1770. Thank you very much and have a great day.